Miaka 19 kuma riria kiama kia uramati wa MATHARAITA manini gitaru-ini kia Africa kiobirwo thayo gitaru-ini giki nduri wa kinyanira undu uria gwetetwo ta kihingica kia uthii wa na mbere. Akiaria KIGOMANOINI giki Minister wa UGITIRI wa THIINI Professor KITHURE Kindiki uria niwe muikari giti wa Rexa ugite Africa ni gitaru kina andu anini mari na utonga ona uhoti indi ngahia cia kinduriri mihaka-ini ona mabũrũri-ini matiganite ithiite ona mbere kuonjia mageria ma kwarahuka kwa iganda kumana na uhuthu wako na MATHARAITA mihaka-ini.
A combination of critical natural resources, a young population, and arable land only requires one item to catalyze Africa's movement to the next frontier. And that catalyst is peace and stability. I am persuaded, therefore, that if we stabilize our region and our continent, the future of the world lies in Africa.
Kindiki arauga thirikari nyingi ikoretwo ikiunjugwo ni bara iria oho icungagiria uhuthiri wa mbeca kuigithia ugitiri mbeca iria ingihuthika kururumura na kwambiriria iganda.
Problem of conflict, violence and instability whose main fuel is small arms and light weapons in the hands of criminals and other unauthorized organizations and persons.
Kindiki athiete na mbere kuga gitaru kia Africa kina uhoti wa gutwarana na thii yothe kiuthii wa na mbere kumana na utonga wakio indi no nginyagia kirumia mawatho ma kugiriria MATHARAITA ukinyira raia muthayo noguo kiguciririo kia igithia.
Illicit trafficking in small arms and light weapons continue to fuel conflict in many of our countries. It continues to undermine governance in many of our countries. It continues to impede socio-economic development in many of our countries.
Professor Kindiki arugamire kajama Minister URAMATI wa MATHARAITA manini ta muikariri giti kajwire tafanitie mogaruruku omothe Jean Beji akiyukia matamu ma mwandiki munene kuma kuri Lieutenant General Badan Abdigadir. Girifotera Kameme TV ritwera kwa ni Mwaura Wadungu.